hinawakan din yung direct Rory Quinos. Wala lang, hinawakan lang. Alam sa ko.
Saan hinawakan? Hindi, talking about Direct Rory, parang narinig namin na fan ni Direct Rory si Edward dahil sa acting na daw. So, do you think you'll be the next dramatic actor? Ano comment mo ba?
Like, it's always been one of the things I wanted to do. If that were to happen, I can die in peace if that happens. I'm trying to like. Sorry. Although it was really fun and I enjoyed every part of it, one of the last pieces of advice that the referee gave all of the housemates, there were 3 parts. There was always keep your feet on the ground. Your feet on the ground. If I was to become the biggest, I don't know, what's the next dramatic actor?
Yes.
I wouldn't want to consider myself that. I'd like to stay just actor like. I don't want to get hyped up. What I achieve, I want to achieve. That's simple as that. I'm going to be happy doing it. If I am, dream come true. I will work my way there.
Pero ano sa pieces, kamingin ko lang. Kasi parang, di ba, parang nagsimula ka rin sa mga beauty pageant. Marami nagsasabi that pwede daw that you wanna join mga beauty contest like mga Bilibili. Are you going to push through with that career or focus ka sa acting?
I would like to pursue that when I finish my school. So not anytime soon, but I will. Soon. I mean, when I finish my school, I would like, kasi of course you're gonna represent Philippines, so gusto ko nakaaral talaga ako at saka pwede talaga akong maging confident ako na i-represent yung Philippines first bago ko po i-pursue yun. Pero for now, I would focus on acting kasi it's the one thing that's given to me na blessing. So I will seize all the opportunities I get, and then maybe someday, I will join Pilipinas.
Wow! Sige, follow up lang sa'yo. Kung sasagutin mo yung tinanong kay Maxine Medina na kung ano yung nangyari 10 years, most significant change happened, di ba? In the last 10 years. Ano yun? How do you answer that question?
What is the most
significant change that happened in the world?
7 months na lang muna at this PBB.
Well, for me, the most significant change that happened for the last 10 years, yun ay yung binago yung pamamalakad ng government, which is yung democracy. Kasi for me, that's the best thing. Kasi napaka-importante ng democracy for me. And I would like na mapatuloy yun hanggang ngayon, na free yung mga tao na mag-decide for themselves. That's really important. Kasi kung free yung mga tao, maging free dito. With free minds, with free opinions, mas magiging maganda yung pamamalakad kasi malaya yung mga tao. Kung may freedom, may creativity. Kung may creativity, may peace and just brilliant ideas and world peace. Thank you.
Pwede.
Nakagawin mo nga yung wave mo kanina. Tinawag yung pangalan.
Oo nga parang beautiful. Bakit ka sa stage? Tumagay ng ganyan ka.
Our second big placer, Kisses!
Kayong naman tatanungin ko lang. Kasi parang maraming nag-agree that you'll be the big winner. Marami rin nagsasabi na parang wala kang career sa showbiz. Ano yung masasabi mo dun sa maraming mga nagbabash din na parang wala ka daw place sa show business? Parang gano'n. Anong masasabi mo dun sa mga basher mo na yun?
Siguro, masasabi ko sa mga bashers, hindi naman totoo yung mga sinasabi kasi hindi naman ako nagbabasa ng mga basher. Binabayaran ko lang. Gusto ko na lang, happy lang ako palagi kasi pag basahin natin yung mga basher, talagang malulungkot tayo. Di natin alam
mali sila.
Yeah.
May darating na showbiz tayo.
Correct.
Actually,
Choose your path.
Sino yung gusto mong makatrabaho pag sakaling gusto mo maging actor or gusto nyo maging kasama ng actress ngayon?
Siguro yung mga kasama ko.
Hindi, yung ang except sa kanila, yung mga
Artista.
yung mga artista natin.
Oo, may pangarap ka bang gusto mo
Makatrabaho. ano, mga-
Siguro yung idol ko na actor si Coco Martin.
Possible.
Sa babae.
Sa babae.
Sa babae.
May sila isa sa
Marami kasi siguro kung sino man yung mga partner ko. Kasi marami.
Or show
Hindi kayo papayag.
Showbiz. Ay, sila.
Baka na isa.
Gusto mo mga pangalan?
Maliban.
Except kay Kisses.
Si Liza po.
Oo, sabi na sila.
Bakit sila isa?
Siguro po, babae po sa maganda.
Last na lang po kay Maymay. May tanong ko lang, kumbaga sigurado you have a place sa showbiz eh. Sabi you'll be the next Pokwang, you'll be the next Melay, di ba? So ano masasabi mo na parang yung pangalan mo dinidikit sa pangalan nila o you want to make your own identity na ikaw si Maymay may sarili ka. Ano masasabi mo dun sa mga basher or yung mga katagahanga mo na you'll be the next Pokwang and Melay?
Yung sinabi nila you'll be the next friendly or sino may mga tao dyan. Masaya ako kasi yung mga sinasabi nilang mga tao, sila yung talagang kilala din dito sa buong Pilipinas. Bakit naman ako, hindi, di ba? Na sobrang mga big star man din sila. Siyempre, magiging masaya ako kung mag-next ako saya. Pero, ang gagawin ko talaga na hindi naman porket next ako sa kanila, parang siguro gagawin ko rin yung best ko sa showbiz. Kung parang ako gagawa mismo sa image ko.
Sariling pangalan.
Oo, sariling pangalan ko. Pero masaya ako, yun yung sinasabi nila. Dahil mga big star po yung mga sinasabi ng pangalan ko. Si Ma'am Mela, at si Ma'am Pokpon.
Gusto mo sila makatrabaho?
Opo. Sobra. Kasi gusto ko masaya. Gusto ko lang mag-enjoy ng bongga-bongga. Nagtrabaho ka na nga, masaya pa. Yun po.
Pero sa tingin ko, mas malalampasan ni Iba.
Big brother?
Yun po, ha?
Thank you.
We have a follow-up from Julian.
For Kisses, kanina kasi na-mention mo that being judged is one of your biggest fears. Pero part na kasi ng buhay ng isang artista, yung ginajudge ka ng mga tao kahit hindi mo sila kilala. So moving forward sa buhay showbiz mo, how do you plan to deal with being judged? Especially since you're going to live life in the public eye.
Okay. Na-prepare ko na yung sarili ko ever since Truth or Lie na ngayon na nabukas ko na yung sarili ko sa lahat ng mapanghusgang mundo, kumbaga sabi ni Kuya. Pero yung masasabi ko, I will maghuhugot ako ng lakas sa mga tao na naniniwala sa akin. I will always see the positive side of everything. Kasi there are two sides to that eh. Yung bad side is na may mag-judge sa'yo. But the other side is na sobrang daming tao na talagang makita lang kayo, masaya na sila, and naging inspirasyon sila, and naging inspirasyon kami sa kanila, and sa amin sila humugot ng pag-asa. So I will always look at those people. Magpo-focus ako na lahat, titiisin ko, lahat ng sakit, kasi malambot po yung puso ko, aaminin ko yun. So I easily sometimes get hurt sa mga what people say about me, because I care about it. I care about my image, I care about it. But
How you come across to people, you care about it.
yes, I care about it. So, titiisin ko ang lahat for the people who believe in us.
Yeah, I know.
When we were outside the house for that short time after the teen edition, syempre we hadn't been on our phone for a long time. So that's why when I was reading things, negative comments, there were points where I got down at these, my kids specifically, because they were with me a lot. But all the other housemates, they were always there for me. So in the case where there's negative comments, I mean, for every one negative comment, there are 10 positive ones. And
Yes.
so I know that every time there's a bad comment from me, these guys will have my back, and I mean, we're all gonna lean on each other. So that's it. There's a reason we got here together. You know? So we're gonna keep on having each other's backs together.
I'm just curious, you said you read a few bad comments that got to you. What was the worst thing you read about yourself, and how did it affect you?
Actually, there was one comment. It was only a single comment. It wasn't about a topic, but there was one comment where they mentioned my sister. And if you attack me directly, that's fine. Honestly, I don't mind. But if you attack my family or my friends, that's when it starts getting to me. So, because my sister was on PBB for one point, and they said just not about anything. They just directly insulted her. Yeah, that got to me.
So you consider yourself fair game, but your family is off limits.
Off limits. If you attack my family, that's the one part. My friends and my family. My friends aren't my family as well, so don't touch.
My next question, my next follow-up is actually for you. So, earlier, while DJ Chacha was watching the big night, right after you were named the 4th big placer, DJ Chacha tweeted something that said in part, may next James Reid na tayo. DJ Chacha said, you could be the next James Reid.
You'll be the next dramatic actor.
Yes.
How does that make you feel, DJ Chacha comparing you to somebody like James, who came from BBB and is now one of the biggest stars we have? How do you feel about that?